For the association that your company manages, there are fees and preferences that are the same across all your HOAs. Under the Access and Preferences link, you'll see the users for your systems, and we'll get to that in a separate video. But clicking on the Documents Default and Pricing link shows you all 23 of those basic documents that are required by the state. You can set default prices for those documents that are the same for all your incoming associations. Any of the ones that have been set, you can view under the Completed tab or the Green tab. Those that are pending or perhaps do not have default pricing, you'll find those under the Yellow tab. It's as easy as clicking and setting a price and then clicking on the Save button, and that removes it from the pending and moves it to the completed section. So these are the only documents then that are currently under the default setting, and will come in with that pricing and with those preferences when you add associations. Please note, you must set up the default pricing and reminders before you add associations. Your defaults will be applied to HOAs going forward and do not retroactively change any existing. So we just added the Macklin Estates, and if we go to Add Documents and we find our way down to CC&Rs, for example, you'll see that that default pricing is already set in place. Still have to load the documents from your computer, but the pricing and the repetitive defaults have all been established for you. You can also set up the HOAs to have custom questionnaires or to allow for emergency escrow demands by setting those preferences in this window. Those preferences show up for the individual users on the web access.